This episode is dedicated to all the brownie lovers out there. Today, we're gonna make my favorite, a Dutch cocoa brownie. This will be the best brownie you ever make. Now, get jamming in the kitchen. First up, all-purpose flour. And I'm gonna add some Dutch processed cocoa powder. My favorite brand to use is Drosta. After doing a little research, I found that it has a very high fat content, and I think this is a key to making a nice chewy, fudgy brownie. This looks nice and blended. Let's go melt our butter and sugar. Our butter and sugar are starting to melt. You want to keep a close eye and make sure you're continuously stirring and not allowing it to come to a bubble. This is why I'm using a very low heat. So our butter and sugar is nice and melted. It kind of looks like candy, how pliable, you can like push it back and forth. Do you guys think I should make candy on an episode of Julia's Jammin' Kitchen? It's time to take it off the heat. I'm gonna whisk my egg quickly until fully incorporated. Ooh, whisking is an arm workout. Our eggs are nicely beaten in. I'm gonna add my vanilla extract. And last but not least, let's add our oil. This looks great. Let's combine these wet and dry ingredients. We're gonna fold our wet and dry ingredients together until just combined. We don't wanna see any dry ingredient streaks. Last but not least, let's add these chocolate chips. I'm gonna fold them in until just combined. This batter looks and smells great. Let's grab our prepared pan, get our batter in there, and pop this in the oven. Check out these crinkles. This is what I look for in a perfect brownie. Our toothpick pulls out with a little crumbs and a little batter on it. This is exactly what we're looking for. Now let's let our brownies cool completely. This brownie is delicious. It's fudgy, chewy, and deeply chocolatey. And it has that crunchy, crisp edge. This brownie is to die for. I hope you try this in your kitchen, and I'll see you next time on Julia's Jammin' Kitchen.